Howdy everyone. Today we're going to be feeding up, and I'm going to show you what we've done to our chicken tractor, and hopefully you like the video. So, you see, we used to have, hold on, here's one. We used to have these were the tires, the air-filled tires. The air-filled tires tend to do this. They would lean. But with these tires, the plastic, because they're not air, a little bit more sturdy. They don't lean as much. And it's better. Like, it won't get stuck as bad. It's probably easier to move. And just overall better. But we did that to both sides. We got to redo the flooring because, if you don't know, in chicken tractors, when you let this down, the chickens run out. But we had goats get in here, and if you can see inside there, what they did was, look, these used to be nailed, but I can fit my hand under there, and it gets worse back there. So we got to redo the flooring, and after we do that, we've got to just get a new axle. We got to. But it's time to go feed up, so I'm gonna see y'all when we're at the barn. Can y'all see me good? I guess so. That probably doesn't help, but I'm gonna show y'all our satsumas, the grapefruit, and our trees. This is a grapefruit, and it has all different bits of blooms, and the bees are pollinating. See? And then we have our orange tree with wasps and bees pollinating. Some bees have died, like this one. I don't know if they... Yeah, this one died. That one right there. But it's all filled with blooms. Then we have our lemon, which is filled with, this is a lemon right there, there, one right there, one right there, one right here, 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 here. It's just filled with lemons. And then we have our tangerine. Just the same thing, has a lot of blooms. And we have our peach tree. Trying to show you something. We have a peach. Where's my? Right there. And I think that's the only one. But that's a big peach. And then we have our plum, which is blooming. I might be able to find a plum. Anyhow, there's little itty bitty ones. They're hard to find though. But then we have our peach. Another peach. You see a little peach there. Peach down here. Peach over here, one right there. I think this is the citrus or satsuma. But I don't see any blooms. But I know it should be blooming. And then we have a fig tree with blooms but I can't point any out. But that's our grapefruit fruit trees, I guess. And then this is how pretty the garden is. I'll try to dim it. But you have all that. And it's beautiful. But we'll see y'all at the barn. Well, I know I said I was going to see that. But I'll say it again, and this time we're actually going to the barn. Or the other garden. One of the two. But, see ya. Now I'm in the frame better. But I got my gun, and I'm about to scoop the feed over here. And I gotta get a bucket first. That's gonna be a problem. No, it won't. But I'm gonna get the bucket first, and then I'll pick y'all up again. I'm back with buckets. Now, I'm going to scoop out of the ton bag and get some cracked corn. But they just eat those cows right there. We call them big cows. We have 6 in one pasture and 6 in the other. So, wait, I take that back. 5 in one pasture and 5 in the other. But we have a rye field, and this rye field has electric fence. I think it's 1 strand. Pretty sure it's 1 strand, but it runs all the way through the middle of the field. And we let them on to eat the rye, and then we take them off. And it is, I'll give y'all the date. So it is March 20 something. But I'll tell y'all the date at the end of the video. But I'm gonna get the scooping and get the feeding. So yeah, I'm gonna get to doing that. So while I'm doing this, getting food, tell me in the comments what you want me to do, and I'll do it. And yeah, that's it. That's just about it. So, this is for our big cows, which we have 6. But if y'all give me 1 second. Where's the bucket? There. But what I'm gonna do for y'all is feed up and give y'all more videos to watch, and I hope y'all like them. And yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a good view. Just hold on a second. Well, that ain't got the plan. I don't think y'all got to see me, but I hit the wrong button, and the video footage was not saved. I don't like that, but here's the cows eating. And there she goes. Found the food. And she found the food too. Those are sisters. Here comes Cadillac. Here comes Bully. Her name is Rosie. And that one's the bull. The one I'm pointing at, he's the bull. And the one behind him is just another heifer. But hopefully I can feed the other cows or feed the other steers and cows, and I can actually get the video footage of me feeding them. So see how it goes. Howdy everyone. I'm gonna go feed the steers, and hope y'all like the camera view. So let's crank y'all side by side up. I'm gonna get y'all set up, then y'all can watch the cows just eat. Back. Back. Come on. Go. This isn't going as planned. They're not wanting to cooperate. So, put this in, they should eat. Y'all can just watch them eat for as long as you want. So that's that, so I gotta do the other bucket now. Whew. Now I'm gonna do the same thing here. Get some weight out. let y'all watch them for the next minute. They're just spitting that food. He likes to put his head up, just let it run down him. That one right there, that white-faced one right there, he's pretty shy. That one's not so bad. She's not bad at all. But you see that big black one right there? He's about the same as the white-faced one. He's not friendly. All those steers are crazy. But this one's mine, this one's Dad's, that's my dad's, and that's my dad's. But that's mine. I bought it with my own money. So, just thought y'all would like to watch the cows just eat. So, I'm going to turn the camera off and give y'all a proper outro. I'm going to give y'all the outro y'all wanted. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, smash the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.